of the earth, and still we see thee lie. The mighty pines, dreamless, sleepless, silent stars go by. Yet in my thoughts did shine the everlasting light. Troubles and fears of all the years of letting me tonight. O morning stars together, proclaim the holy God, and praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth. For Christ is born of Mary, and gathered all above. One hope to speak